Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto, and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video on the channel. Guys, today I will be once again talking about Cardano because right now it looks extremely good. There's very good development currently ongoing, and like I already told you guys earlier in today's video about XRP, I can't stream today, but tomorrow of course I will be back. But guys, in today's video, we will be discussing the Cardano price action once again here, because like I just told you, there's some insane bullish development, and you can see it yesterday as well on the channel. Yesterday we were making this video about Cardano just getting started, and then we were of course seeing that new autumn high getting created. And guys, once we were making this video yesterday, since then we even created more volatile, and of course I do feel very excited about that. So I mean guys, a lot of things to discuss, so without further ado, let's go right away into the video. If you haven't already, make sure to smash up that subscribe button. Also guys, don't forget to hit that bell notification, because if you're right now hitting that bell notification, you're not going to miss out of any of these videos. And of course, these videos are very time related, so it's very important, yeah, to hit that bell notification. So guys, let me right away start with the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation. I mean, this is a chart that I've been talking about so many times here. You guys know it, and I mean, I was a little bit worried, to be very honest, because you can see we have formed major resistance on this side. This gray box over here was of course major resistance in the past, and I thought, okay, right now we are going to retest it. I think we're going to have a hard time breaking through this level, but like you can see over here, guys, we are already breaking through this level, and of course this is absolutely beautiful to see here. And literally, you can't say that I have not warned you here to go a little bit out of Ethereum into Cardano. Of course, no financial advice, it's just my own opinion, but I mean, I've been saying this so many times, and you can see already since the breakout we have been seeing a 55% increasement. And even though if you bought over here, even though that you got faked out of this breakout over here, you were still in a very good profit of approximately, let me see for you, 30%. So I've been saying this so many times, guys. Once we were training on support, you can't say that I have not warned you. So Cardano compared to Ethereum looks extremely strong here, because yes guys, we also broke through this horizontal level that I was just talking about, and I was really worried that we were maybe going to consolidate below this level for a moment, but right now it looks to be that Cardano can be maybe reaching this $4 already earlier than expected. And in yesterday's video, I was also giving my price prediction. Maybe if you guys want me to hear my price prediction once again for the longer term for Cardano, make sure to ask me in the comments. But yeah, definitely, I think we're going to reach a price target towards the tops at anytime soon here. And of course, for me, what the target that I will be looking at for the coming 3 weeks, approximately, maybe near the end of the month here, is of course a $4 Cardano. People are calling me crazy, but of course, it is going so quickly to the upside, and it means of course that we're going to see a 0.1% 88 compared to Ethereum valuation, what means that it is going to be 0.1% of an Ethereum, and 0.1% of an Ethereum is currently approximately $3.90 here. So definitely very exciting what you can see here. And I mean, I should be still saying to you guys, it is not too late to accumulate Cardano. And people still say, oh, it is already too late. But was it yesterday too late? Was it 2 days ago too late? Was it yesterday too late? No, not yet here. And maybe what can be happening, guys, it's maybe a minor retracement towards the gray box here, and of course after we're going to retest this gray box once again, we're absolutely going to go for a shoot to the upside. And I mean, once we were seeing this over here already getting great, we were saying yesterday as well in the video, we are starting a new uptrend with higher lows, higher highs, and we are definitely willing to trade with the trend here. So Cardano looks so strong here. I just can't stress enough about it. And I mean, I've been accumulating, of course, first of all, my Cardano from 4 cents towards 6 cents. But recently, once we were sitting around $1, $1.20, I was feeling very bullish about Cardano, because Cardano compared to Ethereum tends to move in waves, just like a lot of other coins as well. So I mean, I'm very glad that I of course got you guys in this on it as well here, because yes guys, in the end of the day, I want to be gaining all together and not all alone, because why should you be gaining alone? It makes no sense for me. So we were also looking for the Cardano compared to Bitcoin chart to this very important horizontal level over here. This was of course major previous resistance, major previous support as well. And I thought, okay, this can be also a level that we can be maybe having a lot of struggles through, and maybe getting a big correction on the top, a big quick on the top side too. Yeah, maybe we're going to see correction, you know. So yesterday we also closed the daily candle above this level. So yes, we are breaking once again through another levels, and this is of course looking very good here. And of course we are heading towards a new all-time high for the Cardano compared to Bitcoin valuation. So For me, there's no reason to panic here. Of course, we are absolutely going parabolic, and it's lovely to see, of course. To be very honest, yeah, the chart looks unhealthy, but do I think we're going to stop? No, not necessarily. I think we're definitely going to go towards the top side of this channel. Of course, that is the previous all-time high compared to Bitcoin, and I mean, there's not a lot of volume getting traded around these levels, so I definitely think we can be reaching this target in a very rapid pace here. So, I mean, won't be surprised if we're going to see another 50% increasement compared to Bitcoin. I mean, we were already anticipating another, yeah, what is it, 80% increasement, another 60% increasement compared to Ethereum. So it is definitely not out of the books, and it's definitely not crazy to say that we're going to see also another 50% increasement compared to Bitcoin valuation. And I think it's definitely a likely target to play out here. And I mean, that Ethereum valuation, it's very important to look at, because yes, guys, people are willing to go into Ethereum once it is pumping 40% in a week, but they're not willing to accumulate Cardano once it was not pumping. Because yes, guys, I've been saying this so many times here. I mean, I don't want to be shilling the whole this whole video here, because at the end of the day, I want to give you some information as well to crush the market as well here, guys. But yeah, it is in general looking very strong, and we'll be also going into the dollar valuation in a second. But before, guys, make sure to right away sign up with Femex here, because currently we are having this $2,000 trading bonus ongoing. So if you're willing to spot trade, if you're willing to buy some Cardano, if you're willing to buy something else, because they have a lot of spot coins here, you can be right now. Go to the link in the description, sign up with Femex. Spot trade a little bit here, so no leverage trade, just spot trade. And if you're spot trading, you're getting this $2,000 free in leverage bonus. So of course you can also just leverage trade whatever you want, of course, but be careful, guys. And of course, if you're just spot trading, you're getting a $2,000 trading bonus completely for free. What can of course be a 20k can be 20k deposit bonus if you're using a 10x leverage. So of course, make sure to utilize this. I think it's definitely a very nice thing that they're doing. So biggest deposit bonus ever in history in crypto. So make sure to go to the link in the description. Make sure to go to FMX and sign up, because you don't want to be missing out of this one. But guys. Also, the Cardano compared to US dollar valuation looks very strong here, because yes, we've been also crushing through levels over here, and what you can see over here right now, the 1.618 here is the level that we just broke through. Of course, we broke through this level. Right now, the daily candles even creating more volatile. Of course, we're trading at absolutely all-time highs right now, and of course, I'm truly loving this, guys. The gains where Bitcoin is decreasing, where Ethereum is decreasing, I'm still making good gains with Cardano. So lovely to see here, but what can we be expecting? Of course, first of all, we finally broke through the 1.618 here. There is a possibility that we're going to retrace towards the $2.08 here. If we're going to do so, for me, it will be only accumulating more. Besides that, the chart is looking healthy. No bearish divergence currently getting created. Besides that, guys, as well, of course, like you can see this well over here, a perfect touch point over there. But there is definitely a touch already playing out over there. So of course, not on the daily, but the 4-hourly already touched the 1.618 here. So yeah, I mean, realistic. If I look to this chart, realistic, I think no, we don't necessarily have to get a retracement to go higher, but the next target for me is another 23.8% increasement towards the $2.95 here. And you guys know that I'm currently anticipating within the coming 3 weeks here $4 Cardano, $3.80 to be exact. So you can see also over here the $3.80 here. Coming together with the 3.618 here, and as well with the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation. So for me, that will be definitely a target that I should be looking forward to. That's definitely a target that I should be taking some profit. So make sure to keep your eyes out on that one, because yeah, you don't want to be missing out here. And I will be removing this drawing here, because yeah, the ascending triangle is already a triangle that is behind us, and of course we already played that one. And I mean, currently there's not it's very hard to give my analysis on it, because yes, I rather would like to do a Fibonacci extension too, because guys, yes, we are trading at all-time highs and we are looking for extension levels. So for me, the Fibonacci will be the leading indicator right now. Besides that, yeah, I can still flip onto the MACD, and the MACD, like I told you yesterday as well in the video, looks also very strong on the daily. No bear trend, definitely in the bullish trend here. The 4-hourly as well, setting in higher high, higher lows. This is looking good, and especially, guys, I like the look at the MACD on the daily candles, and the daily candles are looking so strong here. I can't stress enough about it. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be uploading this video as soon as possible here, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to right away smash up that like button. Don't forget to do so, and of course, tomorrow I will be having more time. Tomorrow I will be doing of course, this live stream once again here, and more videos of course coming towards you guys as well here. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will check you guys tomorrow in a new video. Goodbye.